As we move through the first quarter of 2026, the concept of a domestic-only portfolio is becoming a relic of the past. Whether I'm trading from a high-rise in London or a home office in Sao Paulo, the forces acting on my capital are increasingly global, multipolar, and interconnected. In this environment, a global perspective is no longer a luxury for institutional desks. It is a foundational requirement for anyone seeking to protect and grow wealth. While the global growth forecast for 2026 remains subdued at approximately 2.6%, the story isn't found in the average, it's found in the divergence. I am seeing a distinct split between old economy hubs and emerging digital-first corridors. For the first time, trade between developing economies is outpacing traditional north-south routes. This shift is creating new liquidity pockets in markets that were previously considered peripheral. In 2026, energy policy is tech policy for me. Regions with stable, green power grids are becoming the new magnets for capital as the demand for AI data centers continues to outstrip global energy supply. With nearly 3/4 of G20 nations implementing tokenized cross-border payment systems this year, the speed of capital movement has reached a point where a local delay is a competitive disadvantage. In a world where geopolitical fragmentation is the norm, the trust deficit is at an all-time high. This has made transparency the most valuable commodity in the financial sector. Before engaging with any new market or platform, I am performing deeper forensic checks. It's why my searches for FinanceStPierre legit or FinanceStPierre reviews have become standard practice. I am no longer just looking for a portal to the markets. I am looking for evidence of institutional grade security. To navigate this complexity, I don't need more data. I need a better filter. In 2026, I am an editor of information. Don't just watch the stock, watch the supply chain. A trade-related policy shift in a country like Vietnam or Mexico now has a more direct impact on US or EU tech stocks than almost any other variable. In an era of AI-generated misinformation, the signal must be human verified for me. Whether I am reading a FinanceStPierre review to gauge community sentiment or analyzing a professional signal, I focus on the credentials behind the data. The 2026 market rewards agility. If my strategy is tied to a single geographic region, I am exposed to regime risk. True diversification now means holding assets across different regulatory and monetary jurisdictions. The borderless desktop has democratized access, but it has also increased the stakes. Moving from insight to action requires a partnership built on trust and reliability. Ultimately, wealth in 2026 belongs to those who see the world as a single, interconnected system. By staying informed, conducting rigorous due diligence on platforms like FinanceStPierre and maintaining a global outlook, I turn the complexity of our modern world into my greatest opportunity.